Hi everyone, this is Lisa here, and I'm back with another Destash, and this is going to be a bird Destash, as you can see. This Destash will be $20 shipped, PayPal only, US only, friends and family please. And these are all new, some of them just aren't in the packaging. So, we'll start here. There's two of these, little yellow ones. This is a white peacock. It's a blue peacock. This one's a real pale purple or lavender peacock. There's another one of the blue ones. You've got a couple of these. There's one of these. It's green and white. There's like three. These have clips on the bottom of them. And there's like three of these. Two faces one way and one faces the other. And this is a pink and yellow one. Here's a couple of the little green ones. There's another one of those little yellow ones. There's another one. This is a blue one. It's got brown feathers. This is purple and yellow. This has got a clip on it. This is a blue and he's glittery. A little orange one. It's got little white specks on his back. Here's another orange one. It's another one of those blue peacocks. It's another one of the white peacocks. It's a pink bird with a clip on it. It's a little green and yellow one. This pink one here is glittered, and he has looks like some seed beads on him, and he's also got a clip on him. Very pretty and shabby. Here's another one of those. You can see the little seed beads. Yellow one with a clip. There's the clip on the bottom. It's another one of those little yellow ones. There's a couple of purples. This is a yellow one. He's got glitter, and it looks like he's got some lace on him and some little seed beads. I don't know if you can see the lace. Very pretty. There's a yellow one. A little orange. This little blue and white one. He's got red specks on his back and pink belly. Yellow and green. This one's blue, pink, and yellow. Very pretty. It's an orange one. There's a blue and pink one. The long feathers on him. This is I guess like a, these are made of a fabric. All the blue ones. Oop. Here's another pink one. He's got some glitter on him. You can see the box is full. Here's a set of yellow ones. Very pretty. They have some glitter on the top of their heads. Here's some purple ones, and they've got glitter on them. And these are made with the fabric. It's another one of the pink ones with the glitter. And this one has the clip. This is a little orange and yellow one. And he's got some type of fabric on him as well. Very pretty. And then there's two of these little purple ones. It has a little flower on it. Has the clip. So again, this lot is $20 shipped, PayPal only, US only, friends and family please. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.